If people into your Discord call can't hear you before you touch a single system settings, 19% of the time the problem is inside Discord itself. So let's fix this really easily. So the first thing, the obvious one, look at the mic icon next to the name of the button section and make sure that if there's a line through it like this, click into the unmute, also right click into your own name. Really important in the voice channel, and make sure mute isn't checked there too. Now the next thing to do for scores, because some servers can mute you separately, open the user settings and inside here you want to look out for the voice and the actual video. So check the input device you want to drop down, don't leave this into the default, you want to go for the microphone and select the one you're actually going to be aiming for. Inside here you want to go for the actual element that says make the text, and as you can see you can hear yourself, and into the speaker usually what I do is to go for only the headphones and have the speaker volume already been enabled. So then something else, for example, is that if you have the voice isolation, this doesn't work really fine, so make sure this actually is only available for the studio section. And into the advanced section, no audio detective warning is going to be really important to enable this as enabled, just to make sure this code doesn't find any kind of audio inside here. Now you have a confirmation prompt before switching to a different voice channel. You can enable this one. In my case, I'm going to just leave this as it is, and we're actually good to go. Now, if there's an actual bar, and if it doesn't move, you want to turn on the automatically determine the input sensibility, and make sure that you have now tested that information directly inside here. Something else, for example, is to scroll down to the input mode and see if there's push to the actual talk. Sometimes this don't let you continue if you have an actual push to when it actually works. So in my case, what I did here, I'm going to focus and close this. For example, I'm going to go directly into an actual server that I currently have, which in my case should be this one. And inside here, usually what I do is to make sure that here into the input device, I have my input already been enabled. The input profile is already into the studio. The input volume is 100, and into my voice settings, everything should be appearing directly inside here. If none of this actually works, just click into the element that says troubleshoot guide. This will leave you into an actual new article, but sometimes 100% of the problem is actually that one. So now when you finish with this actual element, the last thing that I can totally suggest to you is to make sure that you can reset as a last resort. If it's still nothing, you want to scroll to the bottom of the voice and click reset the voice settings, which in this case is really this one. This wipes out any misconfigured settings and often fixes stubborn no input detected. So hit for that. You will just need to reselect your input device afterward, and that's it. Your mix should be working in Discord again. If this fixed for you, let me know into the comments below. Something else that I can suggest to you before you have any trouble with your Discord, make sure that your microphone is working into the device that you're currently using. After that, you can head back directly into Discord so we can change these new changes. So I hope this was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.